We are going to discuss Chapter 10 Exponents and Powers, Exercise 10.1. You have already learned about exponents and powers and laws of exponents in grade 7. So in grade 8, little more laws of added into that, mainly when negative power comes. That is a raised to minus m is equal to 1 by a raised to m. This is the new law of exponents which is added in grade 8. So based on this question number 1, evaluate. 3 raised to minus 2. 3 raised to minus 2 means what? 1 by 3 raised to 2, which is equal to 1 by 3 square is 9. 1 by 9. Now second one, minus 4 raised to minus 2. That means 1 by minus 4. This minus 4 retain. That will not change. Only the power sign will change. Will become positive here. So 1 by, we know that negative. The square of any negative number is positive only. So it is 16. And third one, 1 by 2 raised to minus 5. So what is the meaning actually? This is 1 raised to minus 5 by 2 raised to minus 5, yes? So 1 raised to minus 5, how can I make the exponents positive? 1 by 1 raised to 5. Divided by similarly here, 2 by minus 5, 2 raised to minus 5, 1 by 2 raised to 5. So fraction by another fraction. So how can I write this? 1 by 1 raised to 5 into, this will put as reciprocal, 2 raised to 5 by 1. This will come. That is 2 by 1 whole raised to 5. So what I have to do, when fraction comes with the negative exponents, I have to write the reciprocal of that fraction. So 1 by 2 will become 2 by 1 to the power 5, which is equal to 2 raised to 5 by 1 raised to 5. That is equal to 2 raised to 5 is 32. 1 raised to 5 is 1 only. So the answer will become 32. Now the next one. Question number 2. Simplify and express the result in power notation with the positive exponent. So let us see. First one, minus 4 raised to 5 divided by minus 4 raised to 8. Here both the powers are positive only. So this is of the form a raised to m divided by a raised to n, which is equal to a raised to m minus n. So what will come? Minus 4 raised to 5 minus 8, which will be minus 4 raised to 5 minus 8 is minus 3. So power has become negative. So we can write it as 1 by minus 4 raised to 3. So here simplify and express the power notation. So no need to simplify and find out the answer. This is the final answer in exponential form. So 1 by minus 4 raised to 3. Second one, 1 by 2 cube, the power whole to the power 2. So split it. So 1 raised to 2 divided by 2 raised to 3 whole raised to 2. A raised to m whole raised to n has come here. So 1 raised to 2 is 1 only. 1 by 2 raised to what will come? 3 into 2, 6. So the answer is 1 by 2 raised to 6, or you can write this as 1 by 2 whole raised to 6. If you write also, no problem, because 1 to the power any number, because 1 is positive, positive only will come. Or 1 by 2 raised to 6. Or this will be correct, 1 by 2 raised to 6. It can be like that. Next, question number 3. Minus 3 raised to 4 into 5 by 3 raised to 4. So here the power are same. This is of the form a raised to m into b raised to m, which is equal to a into b whole raised to m. So I can write this as minus 3 into 5 by 3 whole raised to 4. So this 3 and 3 got cut. So the answer will be 5 raised to 4. Now the fourth one. Three raised to minus 7 divided by 3 raised to minus 10 into 3 raised to minus 5. So this is a raised to m divided by a raised to n. A raised to m divided by a raised to n, which is equal to a raised to m minus c. So we can write it as 3 raised to minus 7 minus 10 into 3 raised to minus 5, which is equal to 3 raised to, what will happen? Minus 3 minus 10 will become minus 7 plus 10. No, minus 7 plus 10, which is equal to 3. So this is 3 raised to 3 into 3 raised to minus 5. So this is of the form a raised to m into a raised to n, which is equal to a raised to m plus n. So we can write it as a raised 3 raised to 3 plus minus 5, which is equal to 3 raised to minus 2. So we can write it as 1 by 3 raised to 2. Now the fifth one, 2 raised to minus 3 into minus 7 raised to minus 3. So 2 raised to minus 3, you can do it in two methods. Either you separate 2 raised to minus 3 as 1 by 2 raised to 3, minus 7 raised to minus 3 as 1 by 7 3. But more easy is, this is of the form power are equal here. So this is of the form a raised to m into b raised to m. That means a into b whole raised to m. So 2 into minus 7 whole raised to minus 3, which is equal to minus 14 whole raised to minus 3. So I can write it as 1 by minus 14 whole raised to 3. Clear? So next question we will see in the next video.